In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to leads and customers with Meta Business Suite Inbox. This tool lets you manage conversations from Facebook and Instagram in one place, so you don't miss out on potential sales or important customer questions. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what you'll see on screen, so you can follow along step by step. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by searching for Meta Business Suite, or by going directly to the Business Suite URL if you already have it bookmarked. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business assets, so you can access your pages and connected profiles. Once Meta Business Suite loads, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see different options like Home, Notifications, Planner, and so on. Find the option labeled Inbox on this left-hand panel and click on it. This is where all of your messages from different platforms are brought together. When the inbox opens, you'll notice different tabs or channels along the top or side, such as Messenger and Instagram. Start by clicking on Messenger. As soon as you do that, your Messenger conversations will appear in a list on the left side of the main screen. These are messages from people who contacted you through your Facebook page. On the right side, you'll see the chat area for the conversation you've selected. This is where you can read the full message history and type your replies. Take a moment to click on a conversation so you can see how the layout works. Messages on the left, active chat window on the right. This makes it easy to move quickly between leads and ongoing customer chats. Next, switch to Instagram by clicking on the Instagram option in the inbox. The layout will look almost exactly the same as Messenger. Conversations on the left and the selected chat on the right. The only difference is that these messages come from Instagram Direct, so they might include inquiries from your profile, your stories, or your posts. To reply to someone, click into the text field at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you type your message. You can write a simple response, answer a question, or follow up with a lead. When you're happy with what you've written, click the Send button. Your message will go straight to the customer, and the conversation